Welcome to the Freedom Fries channel. This is George. George does not work on cars, but George does catch toys. Good boy, George.
Dude, what the hell are you wearing?
It's my virus outfit. There's a pandemic going on outside. But yeah, I'll change. Go ahead and do the snap thing. Dude, what? Wait. I want to give a shout out to Thottie Brand for sending me this t-shirt because I don't think there's another brand out there that truly embodies who I am better than they. Go ahead and try again. Better. Welcome to the Freedom Fries channel. I'm Fries. That's Freedom. That's Hector, an American hero.
Tearing up the street.
Alright guys, welcome back. If you're new, I don't know how you found my page, and you probably shouldn't watch this. Today we're going to be doing a rear suspension install on the 350Z. We're going to be doing coilovers, coilovers, control arms, and a GKTech rear dual caliper kit. I fucked that up too! Some coilovers, control arms, and the GKTech dual caliper kit. But first, we're going to go check and see what Hector and Keenan are doing in the shop next door. Hey, what's up, Scrubs? What you doing?
What's up, boss?
What you doing today?
Hey, just working on the little 85 Yamaha, not a piece of shit. But
Yeah, I heard you had a bolt that was stuck.
it was. We had to, cut that motherfucker, man.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Hey, man, good enough for government work.
Good enough for government. That's all that matters. But,
That's
hey,
right.
Looks like crap right now, but we gonna get it, restored, and then we gonna do our thing to it. So. Yes, sir.
So I have an honest confession. Being new to video, being new to this chassis, it's been very difficult. Sometimes I make mistakes, and those mistakes take a lot of time. This video is actually the result of 3 installs and deinstalls, multiple shots. It has taken a long time, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, I'm going to be installing the suspension on the rear of the car. I'll be covering the hydro in the next video, and I will be doing a how-to on the GKTech dual caliper kit and the hydro install, just because I had so much difficulty. Like I said, I did it 3 times. So I hope you guys enjoyed this deinstallation montage. Plenty of room for our second caliper. I want to thank Performance Audio for letting me come over and use their shop because it's a lot better than what I got at a storage unit. Well, that was about 6 hours of work condensed into 30 seconds. Now you get to see what I'm going to be replacing all that with. I'm going with GKTech control arms, hydro, and dual caliper kit. And I went with GKTech because everybody loves the Aussies, except maybe every bug and animal in Australia. They seem to really hate them. What? Oh, you want to see the GKTech control arms and dual caliper kit? Well, that's going to be a problem, buddy, because I'm filming this after the fact, so I guess just watch the montage instead. right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I told you, it took 3 times to get right, so it's been a ton of filming and a ton of editing. If you enjoyed the videos, I appreciate it. If you like it, share it, whatever you want, okay? But I do want some honest feedback. Do you guys enjoy the wrenching montages? Do you want more general in the life type thing, okay? Do you want Cody from Performance Audio's contact information?
Wait, what?
He's single.
Tearing up the street.
Works, right?